whispering tales of old, moons aglow so pale and cold, guardian in the shades unseen. In the night we live this dream, echoes in the corridor of light, chasing shadows till the morning bite. In the void we drift and sway, lost in words that fade away. Dusk to dawn in the twilight's trance, caught in an ephemeral dance. Skin to skin in the velvet air, fleeting moments, hearts we bear. Waves of time ripple through our souls, silent secrets that we never told. Frozen time in a crystal sphere, in this haze it's all so clear. Eyes that glisten with a hidden spark, finding solace in this endless dark. Whisper softly, dreams untwine on the edge where love's divine. Dusk the dawn in the twilight's trance, caught in an ephemeral dance. Skin to skin in the velvet air, fleeting moments, hearts we bear. Under moon's soft glow we hide, lost in whispers, tongues untied. Stardust blankets, dreams collide, where truth and fantasy reside. Neon lights spill down the street, shadows dancing in the heat. Heartbeats sync with our deceit. In this ghost town we both